Hi there, my name is Abigail Morrison, and this is my Parent Rights and Special Education PSA for Jefferson Elementary, USD 428. To get us started just a little bit, we want to start talking about the history of special education. In 2000, the Supreme Court declared the liberty interest of parents in the care, custody, and control of their children is perhaps the oldest of fundamental liberty interests recognized by the courts. And then we have some laws of special education. Some of the main ones that stood out to me were the parental rights in 1925. Those who nurture and influence the student's destiny have the right to recognize and prepare for additional obligations. And then in 1972, the Supreme Court ruled that primary role of parents is the upbringing of the child. And in 1979, the Supreme Court also ruled that parents make judgments that are in the best interest of the child. Then we look at the parent definition. Who is and what is a parent considered? So we have a biological parent, an adoptive parent, an appointed educational advocate for those students that maybe do not have the legal guardians, and then a foster parent or a legal guardian to the person that is in the best interest of the child who is taking care of the child. And then parental rights. Here we have schools will provide at least one time in the school year and refer or initiate a parent's request for evaluation. This, a first formal complaint or due process complaint filed in a school year, disciplinary removal from the school that constitutes a change, or upon a parent request. Parents have the right to. A parent has the right to examine all student records whenever they feel necessary. They will receive written notices in their native languages that they can easily understand and relate to. That way they know what is going on with their student. They will present any complaints with respect or in regards to students, and they consent or refuse to evaluation or reevaluation. Parents play a major role in their child's lives, and they have the rights to do whatever they feel necessary. Written notices include, it is important that parents are informed of what is going on with their student, and with this, written notices must go home. A written notice is the purpose of the IEP meeting. They inform the parent of why this meeting is happening, the date, time, and location of where this meeting will be taking place, and the title and positions of who will be in attendance at the meeting and who is sharing information in regards to the child or the student. With this, parents have the right to invite other individuals who have expertise on their child. In some cases, it has been an attorney, a lawyer, whoever they feel necessary needs to be present. And then the goals and services for the student and who will be providing those goals and services for that student will be discussed and presented to the parents. The parents must sign off on this. That they agree or disagree. If any disagreements arise, then there must be changes made within. Next, we have some things that we need to remember. At 18 years of age, students no longer need parental consent, but parents may still be invited to attend. Your child is most important, and schools must notify written or verbal of any changes being made with your student. You have the right as a parent to consent or refuse any services that you deem unnecessary or you do not agree with. And then as one big thing to remember as a school employee, we work as a team. We need to make sure that we give what is best to this student at all times. And then here are my references. Thank you.